Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Amalia Kunaputri. I'm from Program Studi Management with NPM 244111104. I will present Introduction to Management, Organization Environment presented by Amalia Kunaputri. Organization Environment Analysis. 1. The organization environment is everything that can affect the continue, extension, and so on the cat counter the organization both internally and externally. 2. The internal environment includes who is the organization, human resource, what policies are made in the organization, how are the aspect of leadership in organization, the availability of facilities and infrastructure, as well as organization culture. 3. The internal factors, the culture or environment displayed by the company in the form of values, is built with energy and shown by the leader with the physical appearances that include color, placement, and shape, as well as building a good image can give a good impact and the company. Organization environment elements divided into namely external environment and internal environment. External environment and external environment is everything outside the boundaries of the organization that may affect it. The internal environment is the organization environment that is within the organization and formally has direct and specific implications for the company. The external environment consists of two parts: general environment that do not directly affect the organization, and task environment. The environment that directly affect the organization is the external element of the organization that especially affect the organization directly. 1. External environment. A broad set of dimensions and forecasts surrounding an organization that create the overall organization context. Even though the general environment does not affect the organization directly, it must still be taken into account in organization decision making. The general environment consists of economics, technological, sociocultural, political, legal, and international dimensions. This environment has only a few direct implications for the management of an organization. Various dimensions of the general environment. 1. Economic dimension. The economic dimension is the overall health and vitality of the economic system in which the organization operates. If the economic conditions experience shock, it will directly affect the organization. Economic factors that are especially important for business are general economic growth, inflation, interest rates, and employment rates. 2. Technology dimension. This dimension reflects the available method to convert resources into a product or service. Technology change will affect the way organizations change those resources, so that making an impact in his managerial decisions is a big task of a manager, where he can adapt to the development of the times, which means that managers or leaders can apply technology and technological capabilities that he has to develop his organization and try to improve productivity and improve job satisfaction. 3. Sociocultural dimension. in the form of government regulation regarding business and the general relationship between business and government. Laws and regulation issued by the government can have a big impact on the survival of organization. The managerial impact is that a leader or manager is able to building a good organization in accordance with government regulation regarding business and laws. Fourth, political law dimension. The influence of business, politics, and policies of other countries, especially for multinational organizations, has a high impact on the organization. The managerial impact is important that thing and can develop the organization if the manager himself can build communication with fellow organization, even to the international level, and the organization is now at home and abroad. External environmental dimension assessment. 1. Competitor or competitors. There are competitors who compete for resources include consumers or who offer competing products or services. The organization will also compete with other organizations in competing for resources. Example, an organization will compete to obtain funds from financial institutes and obtain qualified employees for a university. 2. Customers. Individuals or organizations that purchase goods or services from an organization. Customers influence organization directly because they buy and use goods or service products by the organization. This is customer behavior. Tastes and consumer attitudes are included in the component that manager must understand. 3. Suppliers. Parties who provide input in the form of treasure to the organization which are needed to run its business. Input can be raw materials, semi-finished materials, influence, financial capitals, information, or service needed by the organization. 4. Regulators. It is usually the government that regulates and influences the police and parties and organizations. 5. Strategic partners. Two or more organizations working together in a joint venture or other partnership. 2. Internal environment. Internal environment analysis will include analysis of human resources, capabilities, and core competencies owned by the company. One of the simplest ways to understand and analyze the organization environment is through financial analysis, which include production function, marketing function, financial function, human resource functions, and R&D research development functions. Various dimensions of the internal environment. 1. Owner or shareholder. People who have legal ownership right to the business. The impact on the managerial implications of the owner leader can be in the form of someone who establishes and runs a small business, a partner who jointly owns a business, or an investor who owns shares. Various dimensions of the internal environment. Boards of direction. Those who are elected by the stakeholders and are responsible for overseeing the company's management in general, to ensure that the company has been run in a way that best satisfies the interests of the shareholders. Various dimensions of the internal environment. Employee or worker. Individuals employed by the organization. Employees can form a labor union that currently has a bargaining power than is could, however, so that it can affect the organization. Therefore, managers need to foster good relationship with employees or labor unions. Various dimensions of the internal environment, physical work environment. In the form of physical facilities provided by the organization to support the organization operation. Thank you.